That'd be nice.
Okay, I told you I would show you how I'm going to put this clay on. And this clay has been in a jar for about over 2 months. And it's just mixed up. It comes in a dry form. Oh, I can't put that on yet. Silly me. Gotta take my Band-Aid off. And this cut, it's blown up my hand. It feels like a huge bee sting, a wasp. Something that's 10 times bigger than a wasp. It's painful. Ah, come on. We got some of those nice Band-Aids. Ugh. It doesn't really look that big, but you know, the cut goes down pretty far. It's kind of pushed together. And now the organic chick told me to put some of this living clay on here, and I'm going to stick it on here. Kind of thick, right?
Right.
Put it on thick, and this is designed to pull out any bad infection or any bad, what would you say?
Bacteria?
Any bacteria, anything bad. And I'm going to leave it on there. I'm going to keep it on thick because this is going to draw anything out that shouldn't be there. And this little bit, you can use it for all kinds of different things. Now, I don't know all the different things, but it's called Living Clay, Detox Clay Powder, and it comes in a dry form. And you just take some out. You put that in a little jar, mix it up so it's like a paste. And this will not dry out for several months. I'm going to say approximately at least 2 months this has been in a different jar. You just happen to put it in this jar so that I can see it, right?
Correct.
Okay. And if you want to know more about living clay, there's even a book on it called Living Clay. It's by Perry. Let's see, his last name is Arledge. Arledge? Perry A. Arledge? She. It's a she. Sorry about that. And it's called Living Clay, Nature's Own Miracle Cure. How to cure 101 ailments with calcium bentonite clay. And that's what this is, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to leave this on all night. And tomorrow it's going to be dry. I can flake it off. Probably rinse that. I'll put another Band-Aid on here, and maybe you'll put some of that other stuff on there.
Maybe some peroxide.
Some peroxide.
Maybe some golden seal.
And some golden seal.
Extract, yeah.
And weren't you naming some other things that I could put on there too?
Well, there's like
those two other things.
Howdiarco.
Howdiarco?
Howdiarco.
Howdiarco.
And burdock root.
Burdock root. Wow, you know all kinds of stuff. You need to put this on your channel. You're going to start one pretty soon, aren't you?
Hopefully.
You will. And you're just helping me try to get this cured, and I appreciate that very much. Okay? So, I'm not quite sure what you have for me tomorrow, what's in store for me, but hey, I'm going to leave this on all night. Now, what happens when I get in bed? Do I just leave it like that?
It's going to dry.
It'll dry,
and
I'll just kind of have to be careful with it.
Well, it'll just dry, and then it'll just sit there until you wash it off or it flakes off.
Okay. And then, you know, I might even put some more of this living clay on tomorrow, if you want me to, right? Depending. And we'll just see how it goes. All right?
We'll see.
Yeah, my hand, I can't put it in a fist right now. That's about it. I'm afraid to do it anymore for fear that that's going to open. I should have had some butterfly bandages, but I mean, it looks pretty straight.
People take the clay orally, they eat it, they drink it, they put it on their person, so it's not going to hurt you. If that wound is open, it's not going to hurt you at all.
Okay. Well, that's what we're going to try. Okay?
Okay.
That's just what I wanted to show you right now, and that's pretty much it. Yes. Thank you,
You're welcome.
and I'll see you next time.